Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Bitcoin on short term pumped 14%. We were calling that short term would be incredibly good. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comments section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio. There you will have automated buying and selling targets as well. Personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands. Market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts for TradingView, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see right now Bitcoin. And what are we going to have is probably Bitcoin getting above the 45.8k. Next stop is, first of all, we have to close above the 43.3k to 43.4. Now, right now we are way above, we are at the 44k almost, but we have to close above this number. If we close above, we are getting towards the 45.9k around the previous all-time high, and after we are going to the 48k. But what are the most important resistance level and what is going to happen towards March, April, and other months as well? Let's see the 4-hour frame. Let's see a little bit the short term. Right now on the short term we have a very high risk with Bitcoin. Is this something we need to worry about? Not at all. We have a very high risk, but this confirms probably an impulsive wave on the 4-hour frame. That means we will be probably getting an impulsive wave and we are maybe going to go even higher than the 44.9k. Can we do that? Yes, we can. Can we go even higher? Yes, we can. Bitcoin on the short term looked amazing and we were sure that we are going to see a higher low pattern when we had this formation going on 24 February. And of course, we also hold 2 times the Ganfan, the 8-1 Ganfan line. If you remember back from the previous updates, this trend line right here, it is quite something like this. Okay, so we were holding the Ganfan line and we were just finding buying pressure on the last support level. So right now higher lows in the price, and of course what did we have right there is that Bitcoin was into the below 30s and it will be going right now above the 70. Higher low on the RSI as well. The breakout was here and we expected the breakout as well on the short term. On the weekly frame, things are looking good. If we end up being so bullish on the weekly frame, I think that the 50k will be a very, very easy piece for Bitcoin. Okay, on the other hand, higher low pattern on the RSI as well with the same low. You can see that we had on the altcoins the higher low commodity channel index as well. Whenever we are seeing that, we are getting higher. Okay, whenever we are seeing the higher low, here as well, higher low, you can see that pattern on the commodity channel index. We are just getting higher and we are just getting started. Of course, that doesn't mean though that Bitcoin will be going higher than the 69,000 Tether USD. Okay, it doesn't mean that we are for sure going to 69,000 Tether USD. But if you remember yesterday, what we talked about in yesterday's actually market update was the hidden bullish RSI divergence that we wanted to confirm. Okay, lower lows in the RSI and higher lows in the price. We confirmed the closing above condition yesterday, actually today with the closing of the month, and now we have formed the hidden bullish RSI divergence. Let's see who will win. For me personally, what we are looking at now is the 48k, and we should take this step by step because you can see how fast things can change in the crypto world, how fast we can have some other things right there. We can go towards a very, very bullish momentum in just one day, and we can just crumble down in just one day as well. So what are the next price targets? 48k and 44.5. But first, what we have to do on the daily frame is of course to close above on the 43.8 43.3k around there at 43.4, a very huge resistance level. That's why we found sell pressure yesterday. I feel like we are going to get it, and I feel like the 48k will be achieved for Bitcoin. The 48k will be the case right there, and we are going to go even higher for many altcoins as well. I will show you something that many people did not see. On the weekly frame, what Ethereum had is a double bottom pattern. The exact low, 2.3k on 21 February, 2.3k on 17 January, with only the difference that we had a higher low on the RSI as well, higher low on the commodity channel index, with a double bottom on the weekly, exact lows on two scenarios right there. So this was one of the best things that could ever happen. On the weekly frame, we are on the 50-day exponential moving average right now, the price of Ethereum, and we are finding a little bit of rejection. However, I feel like we are going to start the high low pattern on the Ethereum as well, and we are going to go even higher, breaking on the weekly frame the 2.9k and going even higher, maybe to the 3.5 as we have talked about with Ethereum. Okay, so I feel like it is it will be the case right here, and we can also go above the 50-day exponential moving average. Let's go to the Fibonacci retracement, and you can see the next target sits at 3.5k, but we have to close first above the 3k. If we do not do that for Ethereum, then we cannot consider that Ethereum will be going to the 3.5 with a minimized risk. Back to Bitcoin right now. So in order to say some things about Bitcoin and in the short term, what I think it will happen is we are going to see Bitcoin going up higher onto the 44.9k probably, and maybe into the 48k. And of course, this crypto market right there was unpredictable in the way that Bitcoin pumped. I did not expect a plus 50% just one day, but I expected the short pump coming. I expecting the pump coming for Bitcoin, and you should be expecting that too, because if you know technical analysis, if you know price analysis, then you can clearly see that we were just holding tightly the higher low pattern right here on the daily frame. We were just holding tightly the fact that on the 4-hour frame we were very bullish. And you can see what is happening right now. Bitcoin is keep getting higher despite the high risk that we have right now. Of course, this seems to be the strength of Bitcoin. And whenever an altcoin or Bitcoin does that, despite the fact that we have a high risk with the technical analysis, the price goes and continues to grow. This is showing a very nice amount of strength for Bitcoin and for the other assets. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Now is the time. And of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.